Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that killing a one human being, it's like the killing of whole mankind, and saving the life of one human being is like saving the life of all mankind. And that should be the every Muslim. He should be always to save the life, and he should oppose against those who are destroying the life. Because that's what Quran teaches us, that's what the Prophet Muhammad teaches us, and all the prophets that teach us to always to protect the human life and go against those who are destroying the human life, either through the wars or through the things which is called for economical reasons. They are corrupting the foods with GMO and adding the hormones and antibiotics and preservatives, which are destroying the humanity, and bringing the people in big numbers of diseases. Today, most of the people in the world are sick because the life being not preserved. There are more concentrate on to preserving the commodities and less focus on the preserving the human beings. We can always often see in America, they talks about the wildlife protection. There are thousands of organizations in America, and those thousands of organizations, they are protecting the wildlife, the animal life. Yet these people are from America. They go to the other countries, they give the weapons to let people to kill other human beings. And what kind of hypocrisy is this? That they are showing to the world that we are very much concerned about wildlife. They want to protect the animals. They want to protect the species of the animals. Yet they are not, they are destroying the human species. The human race being eliminated, destroyed by those wars and those people who are funding the wars and those people who are selling the weapons to the world to destroy our human world. So always for us as a human being, we always focus on that verse of the Quran. We are those who save the lives and against those who are destroying the life. It's a beautiful verse of the Quran. When this verse was revealed, which was mentioned in the Quran, after the Kabil, the son of Adam, who is a Christian called Cain, he killed his brother Abil. We call it Habil. And then Allah mentioned it. There was the first ever murder, and then now there are hundreds and millions of people are being murdered in last century. Only the World War I and World War II, 100 million people were killed. And like Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and this war and this war, you cannot imagine that how many 100 million people were being killed. The colonial power, when the Spain was going around the world, and America, the people from Europe, they were going in North America and South America. If you compute it, the number of people killed during that time, when conquering the imperial power, it's not in thousands of hundreds of thousands, no, but it is like 500 million people were killed for colonial power or the imperialism. 500 million people were killed. And what Allah said, killing one human being, it's like killing the whole mankind, and saving the life of one human being is like the saving of all mankind. You being a lawyer, protect the innocent lives to be punished rather than to be punished the criminals. If you are a doctor and someone has no money to pay you, give them the free medication, give them the free treatment to save the life, because Allah said saving the life of one human being, it's like saving the whole mankind.